Hello friends, welcome to my channel today we'll be learning how to make a very delicious vanilla cake recipe. We're mixing the butter now. After mixing the butter, you add up your sugar. If you don't have a mixer, you can use a spatula to mix. Sit back and watch. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. These are my ingredients for making this vanilla cake. This is my baking powder, my eggs, these are 10 pieces, my butter I just mixed with the mixer, and alcohol, my flour, and these are my flavors. These are vanilla flavors, any type, but vanilla especially mixed with other flavors. So watch and see how to mix. Okay, I will sieve my flour. Please always sieve your flour, sieve your baking powder also. I didn't want to do it behind scene, that's why I'm showing you. Always sieve your flour to avoid dirt. We use fine quality products in baking, so always sieve. Make sure you wash your hand. Make sure you are using a neat environment to get a nice result. So okay, all right. Sieve your baking powder. Don't worry, all the measurements is going to be written in my description box. Don't be scared. Okay, you gradually add your flour into the batter with your egg. Little by little, you fold in. You don't mix, you fold in. I've whisked my egg, so I'm adding it gradually. If you notice, I added all my dry ingredients one side, which is the baking powder and the flour, then my egg into the batter. Gradually, I add my flour and folding with my wooden spoon. You fold in. Fold in very well. You don't mix, you fold in so that to avoid air from entering. Fold in very well. Make sure you add your flavors. Cream your pan very well. Don't be scared. All the ingredients I use and measurements is going to be written in my description box. So after watching this, you can go over to my description box and take up the measurement. Then if you don't know how to use your measuring cups, you can also place a link on my description box. Or you don't know how to scale, I will also place it so you can learn how to scale or use the measuring cups. Make sure you balance your batter very well. This is what came out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. God bless you. Bye.